Greetings, Mark. You're going to be looking at how we can add page number to our Microsoft Word document here. Yes, very important. Here we're going to add page number, right? Well, if you notice, we don't want the page number on the cover page. So we want to also look at see exactly how we can actually do that just the same, right? So the first thing you want to do is to come up here and click on write insert. Notice when you click on insert, you come right here, say header and footer. You come right here and you click, you notice right here, it said top page, right? It's the bottom page, margin, current page, right? And top, this is what come up. You can actually scroll down. This is serial here. When you go to the bottom section now, over here, you can actually scroll up and look at a different type. You come back over here, look at the margin, you notice, and all of that, right? But what we want to look at the bottom section right here. So we're gonna select, right? Scroll back up to the top. We're gonna select this one. But if you notice, I select this one. You notice this page that show one, right? If you notice, you go up, you notice it don't show right here on the cover page. Why it don't show on the cover page? If you notice right up here, it says different first page. If I uncheck that, right? If I uncheck it and I go back up here, you notice it show right up here. A zero show right here on the cover page right up here. And then down here, it show the one, definitely. All right. So if I come right here and I check it back, if you notice, remove, and then the one start right here, right? So when you finish, what you can do, you can double click out here. I can come right here and click, right? And if I scroll up, you notice I have my one to my left of my screen. And if I scroll up, you notice you have the two come up. So this is how you add a page number to your Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.